ezyZip.
How to create 7Z files in Windows 11. Method 1, 7-Zip software. Head over to the 7-Zip website and download their software. Run the installer and follow the prompts. Now navigate to the file you want to compress, right-click, select Show More Options. Hover over 7-Zip and select Add to Archive. Select 7Z in the Archive drop-down menu, and click OK. And there you have it. A brand spankin' new 7Z file. Method 2, Command Line. First of all, make sure you have 7-Zip installed as we did in the first example. Once installed, press the Windows key followed by X, and select Terminal from the menu. Specify the directory where your files are by using the cd command. My file is located on my desktop. Now we can compress the file by typing the following command. Replace destination.7z with the name you want for your file. And now you're done. A fresh new juicy 7Z file for your taking. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.
ezyZip.